Greetings, everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of Jetline Marvel. As the Russian-Ukraine conflict continues, fighter jets are playing an increasingly important role in attacking the country. But the Russians have modern aeroplanes that can tear through any conflict. Let's take a look at 5 of the most dangerous warplanes ever produced and their capabilities. Number 5. The Sukhoi. It is a twin-engine supermaneuverable fighter aircraft with Soviet origins. It has a range of 3,530 kilometers, a fuel capacity of 9,400 kilograms, a top speed of 2,500 kilometers, heavy aircraft ordnance, modern avionics, and exceptional maneuverability. The Su-27 was developed for air superiority duties, although later variants can undertake nearly all aerial combat roles. It was created as a companion to the Mikoyan MiG-29. Number 4. The MiG-35. It is a Russian multi-role fighter designed by Mikoyan, the United Aircraft Corporation division. It is a development of the MiG-29 and is marketed as a 4++ generation jet fighter. It has a top speed of 2,100 km per hour and a combat range of 2,100 km. The Klimov Road 33 Mk has a maximum takeoff weight of roughly 24,500 kilograms. With afterburner, it produces 88.2 kN. It can climb 65,000 feet per minute and can carry a variety of bombs, as well as air-to-air and surface missiles, as well as anti-radiation and anti-ship missiles. Number 3. The Su-35. It's the name given to 2 upgraded versions of the Su-27 air defense fighter. Sukhoi Design Bureau created them, and the Komsomolsk-on-Amur aircraft plant produced them. They are single-seat, twin-engine, supermaneuverable aircraft. It has a top speed of 2,400 km per hour, a range of 3,600 km, and a maximum altitude of 59,000 feet. It has a fuel capacity of 11,500 kilograms and a combat range of 1,600 kilometers. It can carry various weapons like S-25, air-to-air and the surface and anti-ship missiles and anti-radiation missiles. It can carry the TV-guided and laser-guided bombs. Number 2. The Tu-160. It is a supersonic, variable sweep-wing heavy strategic bomber designed by the Tupolev Design Bureau in the Soviet Union in the 1970s. It is the largest and heaviest Mach 2+ supersonic military aircraft ever built. The 4 Samara NK-321 afterburning engine powers this aircraft, which can take off up to 157,000 kilograms. It has a top speed of 2,220 km per hour and a range of 12,300 kilometers. It has a service ceiling of 52,000 feet and a rate of climb of 14,000 feet per minute. It has 2 internal rotary launchers, each containing 6 Raduga Kh-55SM cruise missiles and 12 short-range nuclear missiles, and 2 internal bays for 45,000 kilograms of munitions. Number 1. The Su-57. Sukhoi has designed a single-seat, twin-engine stealth multi-role fighter. The design combines stealth, supermaneuverability, super cruise, integrated avionics, and considerable internal payload capacity, making it a multi-role fighter capable of aerial warfare as well as ground and sea strike. At Mach 1.5, the maximum speed is 2,135 km per hour, with a range of 3,500 km and a service ceiling of 66,000 feet. It has a 70 m/s rate of ascent and it can carry a variety of missiles, including the R-77M and R-74M2 air-to-air missiles. Air-to-surface missiles weighing 4 kilograms and measuring 38 meters, as well as anti-ship and anti-radiation missiles. It can also carry 500 kilograms cluster bomb plus active homing anti-tank drill. In the comments box, tell us what you think of these fighter jets. Please remember to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.